Let's make colorful ice cream together with Play-Doh. Check out these amazing colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The ice cream molds are ready, too. Here we go. This pink ice cream mold looks so cute. Put the Play-Doh neatly into the mold. Add a yellow stick in the middle. Close the mold tightly. Press it down. Let's open it. Wow, an orange ice cream! Looks so yummy. So pretty, but not perfect yet. Let's add some candy to decorate. This ice cream will look even better with this shiny rose candy. Sprinkle it on. That was fast, right? Our orange ice cream with sparkling candy is ready. Place it here and make another one. Let's use this blue mold. For the Play-Doh, I choose green. Put some Play-Doh into the mold. On both sides. Nice and even. Now add some red Play-Doh to the rest. Spread it out. Alright, add this pink stick. Can you guess the flavor? Time to find out! Ta-da! A cool watermelon ice cream appears. It looks so delicious.
Yummy, yummy.
So fun! Keep going. Oh, a yellow mold. Using purple Play-Doh. Sweet, great flavor. Add a purple stick into the dough. Knead it a little to make it soft. Now put it into the mold. Close it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! A soft and smooth grape ice cream. Oh, it would be even better with some candy. I love star candy. Here they are, bright yellow star candies. Now our ice cream is complete. Do you like it, kids? But wait, we still have more Play-Doh. Look at this cute mold. Let's put the remaining red Play-Doh in. Then add blue Play-Doh. Don't forget the stick. Close the mold. Let's open it. What do you think about this blueberry and strawberry ice cream? Alright, what about this one? Oh, this mold looks so special. Let's try it with the remaining Play-Doh. Green and yellow Play-Doh. Fill it up. Close it. Press it tight. Oh no, we almost forgot the stick. Now it's time to open. Wow, it's so small and cute. Green and yellow colors of lemon and mango, sweet and a little sour. Which ice cream do you like the most? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. See you next time.